Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Sangeeta Pahuja, Ayurvedic consultant, running my own clinic in South Delhi since 30 years. इसमें डाइट एंड लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस किस प्रकार हमारी मदद कर सकते हैं इस विषय पर बताना चाहूंगी. हाउ कैन वी प्रिवेंट आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम स्किन डिसीजेस? Everyone wants to have beautiful skin, but unfortunately, many of us suffer from different skin disorders. According to Ayurveda, imbalance of tridoshas can be the cause of skin disorders. This imbalance may occur due to dietary problems or lifestyle issues. आयुर्वेदा में इन्हें संक्रामक भी कहा गया है. श्लोका इन चरक संहिता has explained the causes of contagious diseases. प्रसंगात गात्र संस्पर्श निश्वासात सह भोजनात् सह शय्या आसन च अपि वस्त्र माल्यानुलेपनात्. कुष्ठम ज्वरश्च शोषश्च नेत्र अभिषंद एव च औसर्गिक रोगाश्च संक्रामन्ति नरानरम. Means physical relationship, body contacts, inhaling others' exhaled breath, sharing food, sharing bed, exchanging clothes, ornaments, and cosmetics causes contagious diseases like leprosy, fever, tuberculosis, conjunctivitis in the communities. Dosha's imbalance due to unhealthy diet and lifestyle is the main cause of skin problems. जैसा हम सब जानते हैं कि प्रत्येक ऋतु में अलग अलग दोषों का संचय, प्रकोप और शमन होने से यदि ऋतुचर्या का पालन न किया जाए, आहार विहार का ऋतु के अनुसार परिवर्तन न किया जाए, तो व्यक्ति रोगों से ग्रसित हो जाता है. आयुर्वेद में बताई गई दिनचर्या ऋतुचर्या का यदि पालन किया जाए तो हम सभी प्रकार के रोगों से स्वयं को बचा सकते हैं. जैसे कि प्रत्येक ऋतु में अलग अलग दोषों की न्यूनता व प्रधानता रहती है, जैसे कि वात का ग्रीष्म में संचय, वर्षा में प्रकोप, शरद में शमन होता है. पित्त का वर्षा में संचय, शरद में प्रकोप और हेमंत में शमन होता है. कफ का शिशिर में संचय, बसंत में प्रकोप और ग्रीष्म में शमन होता है. इस प्रकार यदि दोषों का विचार करते हुए हम दिनचर्या ऋतुचर्या का पालन करके अपने शरीर में त्रिदोषों के संतुलन को बनाए रखें तो हम स्वयं को स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ साथ अन्य सभी प्रकार के रोगों से स्वयं को बचा सकते हैं. जैसे कि विंटर सीजन में वाता का प्रकोप ज्यादा रहता है एंड कोल्ड वेदर लीड्स टू वाता एक्यूमुलेशन इन द बॉडी रिजल्टिंग इन ड्राई स्किन, क्रैक्ड लिप्स एंड हील्स एक्सेट्रा. देयर आर मैनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्किन डिसीजेस लाइक सोरियासिस, एक्जिमा, pruritus, rashes, acne, bacterial and fungal infections, etc. Ayurvedic treatment for skin is based on the dosha type of an individual and is formulated to meet the specific requirement of each. Skincare treatment for each of the dosha type is different. It is essential to first know your prakriti, vata, pitta or kapha, and keep yourself healthy by balancing the three doshas. Skin care of vata type. How can we do care of vata type skin? We should do gentle cleansing regularly. Do oil massage on your body before bathing. It will keep your skin smooth and healthy. You can use coconut oil, sesame oil, almond oil, olive oil. Keep yourself hydrated and moisturized to prevent that dryness. Juicy fruits and vegetables like carrot, cucumber, lemon, etc., which have water content, should be consumed. Aloe herb facial cleansing treatment offers the skin a very refreshed feel. You can apply paste of raw milk, raw honey for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly after that to have a soft skin. Special masks and anti-aging creams with soothing massage offer a delightful Ayurvedic skincare. We should follow vata pacifying diet and lifestyle to keep our skin healthy. We should follow vata pacifying diet and lifestyle. Vata pacifying food like sweet, sour and salty food items, madhur, amla or lavan food items pacify vata. We should consume them. They include wheat, old basmati rice, kulat, mustard, patol, bathua, gourd, cholai, sehjan, carrot, falsa, sweet mango, pomegranate, walnut, almond, figs, dates, etc. are very helpful in pacifying vata. Similarly, some vata pacifying herbs also helpful like saunt, asafoetida, ajwain, methi dana, pipli, दालचीनी, जायफल, काजमम, हरितकी, कैस्टर ऑयल, गुग्गुल, गिलोय, ashwagandha, shatavari, bhringraj, etc. are vata pacifying. We should consume them in our daily routine. And what is unfavorable lifestyle in case of vata skin? What should we avoid? We should avoid daytime sleeping, night awakening, suppression of natural urges, fasting for long hours, anxiety, fear. And vata pacifying lifestyle requires regular body massage with til oil or almond oil, proper sleep, hot water bath, drink lukewarm water, along with yoga, pranayam and meditation. And what is unfavorable? Unfavorable diet and lifestyle की बात करें for वातज स्किन के लिए तो we should avoid साली राइस, बार्ले, रोस्टेड चना, मोठ, मसूर, अरहर, excess sugar, cauliflower, peas, French beans, tea, coffee, alcohol and drugs. We should avoid them. And in case of pitta type skin, what we should do? Pitta shamak ahar vihar should be followed. We should consume pitta pacifying food. What can pacify pitta? Sweet, bitter and astringent, madhur, tikt or kashay food items are helpful in pacifying pitta. They include barley, oats, wheat, white basmati rice, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumber, beans, green capsicum, green vegetables, mushroom, ladyfinger, tomato, gourd, apple, avocado, orange, guava, pineapple, grapes, mango, figs, tofu, sunflower seeds, jaggery, cardamom, dalchini, coriander, sweet fennel and saffron, etc. And what is unfavorable? Unfavorable diet and lifestyle for Pitta Prakriti includes we should avoid oily, spicy, junk food items, sour and salty foods. Avoid anxiety as regards lifestyle. It is to avoid irregular eating habits. Never sleep just after having meal. We should keep ourselves hydrated to pacify vata. We should at least drink 3 to 4 liter water per day. Plant and fruit-based products of highest quality and purity levels rejuvenate and refresh the skin infinitely. And we should clean our face regularly. So if we follow this type of diet and lifestyle, we avoid unhealthy lifestyle, we can keep our skin healthy. Similarly, how can we take care of our kapha type? Kapha type skin is characterized by smoothness, moisture and least wrinkles. But the skin type is prone to pores and oily surface. Skin colors remain pale and dull, and we can apply mixture of honey and lemon juice to refresh the skin. We should revive our senses with the blissful therapeutic experience of skin enhancement and beautifying techniques. We should follow kapha pacifying diet and lifestyle. We should consume kapha pacifying food like pungent, bitter and astringent help to pacify kapha, katu, thick and kashay. This includes ginger, garlic, onion, black pepper, neem, bitter gourd, spinach, turmeric, honey, drakshawle, fennel, etc. We should consume potato, rice, excess cereal, radish, ladyfinger in moderate quantity. Ladyfinger, olive oil, tomato, cucumber, sweet potato, curd, milk and coconut. These all should be consumed in moderate form. Unfavorable diet for kapha prakriti include oily heavy food items, curd, yogurt, paneer, chocolate, sugary products, refrigerated food, and we should not drink milk with other food items. Kapha pacifying lifestyle is we should have active lifestyle. We should do exercise regularly. We should do swimming, running. Activities should be added in our daily routine. And unfavorable lifestyle is sedentary lifestyle, excess sleeping, overeating. These all are very harmful. Trifla Churan is very good to consume. It is Tridosha Shamak. Generally, everyone should add the required food items in your daily diet to balance the Tridoshas. Proper sleep, drinking water. These are the daily good habits we should follow. 7 to 8 hours sleeping is very good to have a good skin. And consuming 3 to 4 liter water is also again very helpful. And the people who are suffering from constipation should take Triphala Churn daily for better evacuation. Go for morning walk at least for 30 minutes in fresh air. Keep good hygiene. Do yoga, meditation and pranayam. And similarly, we should avoid oily, spicy, junk foods, chocolate, aerated drinks, canned and preserved food items, coffee, alcohol, jackfruit, potato, non-vegetarian, etc. Sugar, jaggery, sweets should be avoided by diabetics. And इसी के साथ ही avoid excess of hot water for bathing. Instead, use lukewarm water. Avoid harsh soaps. Use soaps with high content of natural oils and glycerin which are soft to your skin. Avoid irregular eating habits. Avoid anxiety, stress. Avoid suppression of urges. Avoid humid and damp places. So these are the simple tips which help us to prevent us from skin diseases and as well as work therapeutically also. Thank you.